Well, you're not alone in this thought process. Many resume builders and career platforms promise quick and easy solutions, and the ability to upload an existing document is often high on a user's wish list. It saves time, reduces the risk of transcription errors, and allows you to leverage the effort you've already put in. So, does Kickresume offer this convenient feature? Or do you need to roll up your sleeves and get ready for some manual data entry? The short answer, not directly, but there's a better way. Here's the honest truth about uploading your resume directly to Kickresume. No, you cannot directly upload a pre-existing resume file, like a PDF or Word document, and have Kickresume automatically populate all the fields for you. I know. It might not be the answer you were hoping for. Many people envision a simple upload button that uses AI to parse all their information and perfectly slot it into Kickresume's templates. While that kind of seamless integration would be fantastic, most resume builders, including Kickresume, aren't designed to work that way. Think of Kickresume not as a document converter, but as a powerful resume builder and design tool. Its strength lies in its intuitive interface, its vast library of professionally designed templates, and its guided process for creating a compelling resume from the ground up. It's built to help you craft a new, optimized resume that leverages its unique features, rather than just reformatting an old one. Why no direct upload? Understanding the nuances. You might be wondering, why can't they just make it work? There are several good reasons why direct uploads, while seemingly convenient, aren't the primary focus of platforms like Kickresume. Data integrity and accuracy. Automated parsing of resumes, especially from varied formats like PDFs or heavily formatted Word documents, is incredibly complex. Different layouts, fonts, and even image elements can confuse parsing algorithms, leading to inaccurate data extraction. Imagine your bullet points getting jumbled, or your dates appearing incorrectly. Kickresume prioritizes accuracy and a polished final product, which is best achieved through structured input. Template optimization. Kickresume's templates are meticulously designed to highlight specific information in particular ways. When you build a resume within their platform, the data you enter is organized and formatted to perfectly fit these templates. Uploading a document would require the system to not only extract the data but also understand how it maps to their unique template structures, which is a significant technical challenge. Guided creation for better outcomes. Kickresume's philosophy is about guiding you through the resume creation process. It prompts you for specific information, offers suggestions for phrasing, and even provides pre-written phrases for various industries and roles. This guided approach helps you create a resume that is not only visually appealing but also strategically optimized for applicant tracking systems, ATS, and human recruiters. A direct upload bypasses this valuable guidance. Avoiding garbage in, garbage out. If you upload a poorly structured or unoptimized resume, the output, even with a beautiful template, might still be suboptimal. Kickresume aims to help you build a stronger resume, not just a prettier version of an existing one that might have underlying issues. The good news: it's easier than you think to use your existing info. So, while you can't upload your resume, you absolutely can use all the valuable information you've already compiled. Think of your existing resume as your source document. You've already done the heavy lifting of gathering your work history, quantifying your achievements, and detailing your skills. Now, it's just a matter of transferring that information into Kickresume's user-friendly interface. Here's how you can leverage your existing resume effectively. Open both documents. Have your current resume open in one window or on one screen, and Kickresume open in another. This allows for easy copy-pasting. Section-by-section transfer. Go through Kickresume's Resume Builder section by section, e.g., contact information, work experience, education, skills. Copy and paste strategically. For each section in Kickresume, copy the relevant information from your existing resume and paste it into the corresponding fields. Work experience. Copy job titles, company names, dates, and those powerful bullet points detailing your responsibilities and achievements. Remember to tailor and quantify your achievements as you go. Education. Transfer your degrees, institutions, dates, and any relevant coursework or honors. Skills. List your hard and soft skills. Kickresume often has predefined categories or suggestions that can help you organize them effectively. Summary/objective. Craft a compelling summary using your existing objective or summary as a base, refining it to be more impactful. Leverage Kickresume's features. As you're transferring, take advantage of Kickresume's built-in features. Pre-written phrases. If you're struggling to articulate a point, check out their suggestions. Bullet point optimization. Ensure your bullet points are strong, action-oriented, and quantified whenever possible. Keyword suggestions. Use their tools to incorporate relevant keywords for ATS optimization. Spell check and grammar tools. Let Kickresume help you catch any errors. Choose your template. Once your data is entered, you can experiment with Kickresume's wide array of templates. This is where the magic truly happens. Your meticulously entered data will now be beautifully displayed in a professional and eye-catching design. You can switch templates with a single click, seeing how your information transforms instantly. Customize and refine. Don't just stop at the template. Kickresume allows you to customize colors, fonts, and even the order of sections to truly make your resume unique and reflective of your personal brand. Download and share. Once you're happy with your new resume, you can download it in various formats, typically PDF, and start sending it out to potential employers. The benefits of building within Kickresume. While the initial thought of no direct upload might be a slight bummer, consider the immense benefits of building your resume within Kickresume. Professional design, effortlessly. You gain access to a library of modern, recruiter-approved templates that would be incredibly difficult to replicate on your own in Word or Google Docs. No more struggling with formatting. ATS optimization built in. Kickresume's structured input helps ensure your resume is parsed correctly by applicant tracking systems, increasing your chances of getting noticed. Consistency and polish. Every element is perfectly aligned, spaced, and formatted, creating a highly polished and professional document. Time-saving in the long run. While there's initial data entry, the ease of customization, quick template switching, and built-in tools save you countless hours compared to manually formatting and redesigning in other software. Guided expertise. You're not just getting a template. You're getting a system that guides you toward creating a more effective and compelling resume. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.